Neuroscientists create maps of the brain after TBI. It looks like the entire brain is being carefully rewired to accommodate for the damage, regardless of whether there was direct injury to the region or not, explained Alexa Tierno, a graduate student and co-first author of the study. But different parts of the brain probably aren't working together quite as well as they did before the injury. The researchers then wanted to determine if it was possible for inhibitory neurons to be reconnected with distant brain regions. To find out, Hunt and his team transplanted new interneurons into the damaged hippocampus and mapped their connections, based on the team's earlier research demonstrating interneuron transplantation can improve memory and stop seizures in mice with TBI. The new neurons received appropriate connections from all over the brain. While this may mean it could be possible to entice the injured brain to repair these lost connections on its own, Hunt said learning how transplanted interneurons integrate into damaged brain circuits is essential for any future attempt to use these cells for brain repair. Our study is a very important addition to our understanding of how inhibitory progenitors can one day be used therapeutically for the treatment of TBI, epilepsy, or other brain disorders, said Hunt. Some people have proposed interneuron transplantation might rejuvenate the brain by releasing unknown substances to boost innate regenerative capacity, but we're finding the new neurons are really being hardwired into the brain. Hunt hopes to eventually develop cell therapy for people with TBI and epilepsy. The UC team is now repeating the experiments using inhibitory neurons produced from human stem cells. This work takes us one step closer to a future cell-based therapy for people, Hunt said. Understanding the kinds of plasticity that exists after an injury will help us rebuild the injured brain with a very high degree of precision. However, it is very important that we proceed stepwise toward this goal, and that takes time. Jan C. Frankowski, Ph.D., Shreya Pavani, Quincy Cow and David C. Lyon, Ph.D., also contributed to this study. Funding was provided by the National Institutes of Health.